Yeah, sesi-live.
Okay.
Isifaka phakathi lochani ma-viewers wethu namhlanje uyalaki. Kade sifuna ukukhuluma naye kuhleleni lwethu elimnandi Kulcha Live namhlanje. Sino-Bob New Age Bob Mabena ozositshela kabanzi ukuthi ngubani wakuphi njani uyakuphina simazi namhlanje. Sifuna nje asitshele ukuthi kuhle ngubani uBob Mabena wakuphi ofunde okhulelephi indwezo zonke nje. Angithatha ithubeli ngilinikele yena lochise asho ukuthi ungubani wakuphi.
Sanibonani my viewers. This is your boy Nongoloza 3.0, the new age Bob Mabena, Mr. Ringo, Mr. Drip Juluka, XC. But I heard a boy. Mina ngizalwa ngingukhonzi Mabena from KwaMhlanga. KwaMhlanga 1022 section Bingview ngaphakathi vele eMhlanga. So ngikhulele KwaMhlanga. Ekhaya we moved. Ekhaya vele sibuvile KwaMhlanga the year I was born, of which was 1997. So since ngicela ukuhlala KwaMhlanga since 1997 ukukhuleni kwami. I grew up KwaMhlanga. Ngafunda ngicela eChidelani. My grade 1 to 4 ngayenzele eChidelani. And then from grade 5, 6, 7 ngabenzela eBrongospruit Primary. And then I went to high school in Delmas. That's where I did my high school at War School Delmas. And then ngabuya ngaza eSiyabuswa. Ngazoyenza technical. I was in college yami I did eSiyabuswa. So yeah, ngiyawuthi ezibuyela local nje ngitla ngiziphilela man. Khona la ezindaweni yabona, in and around the location yabona. The time ngifunde eBrongoro bengitravela. The time ngise Delmas bengihlala boarding school, but I'd come back on my weekends. So yeah, most of my time was very around
Mhlanga. So KwaMhlanga nje ukhula uyi-out enjani? So ngoba ngiyakubona ngathi unomoya ophasi. So sengiyazibuza nje ukuthi ukhula uyi-out enjani? Udlalela idiski, udlalela inketo, bekunjani nje ukukhulela KwaMhlanga uyintwana?
Yeah, khuleni kwami bengi-out nami ngigangile bengiphantsula njengamanye amajita. Ayikho into engayenzanga nami, I would say. From the early ages, besisume emadamini, you know, all those dangerous things, nokuganga lokho ngisho na idiski sidlalela, of which idiski bekuyilo eligcine selisilamulela kulezo zinto lezo yabona. Ezokuganga nani ngothola ukuthi mina no music at that time. So uyaqala ke uyangidistract ungikhipha away from izinto ezisnack. So ngasho ukuthi ngikhule ngintwana eflexible. Ngizithandela isport. Even namanje I'm still active. I'm still nje, it's just that isikhathi asekho yabona sokuzenza lezi ezinye. But then ngiyafisa nokuthi ngase ngichubeke ngidlala idiski. Like I grew up being a happy bubble nje, bengihlezi up and down the place ngingahlaliseki ngigcwele energy. So I feel like even namanje abantu abaphila nami baya understand that I ukuthi ne man le madala ispeed le man. So uso thingamsoli uso, it's how he is. So I grew up a very active guy yabona. Namanje up until the music thing started, being logo active from high school, from primary, high school nase college. Sport bekuyinto ebengilibele ngiyenza. No music now was always there. Bengiloku ngicula from a primary. My choir, and I went to high school, I was in the choir. When I got to college, I was in the choir. And then go college, I was shy music.
Yazi unamafans amaningi njani eLimpopo?
eLimpopo.
Kunabantu from Limpopo, from Jozi, abayazi KwaMhlanga. So nongathi uyabachazela nje ukuthi KwaMhlanga indawo enjani, babe ne-idea.
Indawo enjani or ikuphi onje indawo enjani?
Indawo enjani nongathi in terms of lifestyle.
In terms of lifestyle, imhlanga ilokishini. Imhlanga ilokishi. We are right outside Pretoria, like 40 minutes outside Pretoria. So culture, I think, is also influenced by indawo ezinjalo yabona. Abo Mamelodi, Soshanguve, Pretoria inside the suburbs, whatever. So we have different sections KwaMhlanga. And then vibe, I feel like me I feel like we are sub Pitori. If you understand the vibe and culture yase Pitori, ukuthi uzothola amachita azishayile isidwadlo sikahle, you understand, nje ngendlela kuphilwa ngayo nabomakhelwane kuyazwanwa izinto ezinjalo, uyangithola sisibambene siyinto eyi-one imhlanga yonke, and of which imhlanga encane, so mostly siyazana ngokubhaya, siyazana emhlanga, so of which it makes us closer. That's why ngithi mina ma understand the vibe ne-culture yasePitori uzo-understand ukuthi imhlanga ikanjani. Si small community, sibambene elokishini, hayi nje man kumnandi man, it's always a vibe. I mean, it's always a vibe nje. Masiye diskini amachita, siye diskini uthola samachita amanye sewasibukele la bayabshaya benza into yabo, siyinto eyi-one nje. Abo time abayeza bazobukela, so it's those kind of vibes, yabona. Street culture nje.
Yeah. So the love for music lithoma kuphi ukuthi no so yazibona ukuthi ngathi music so thatha into leyo music like seriously?
Hayi buye endlini olady lambe licula blind church, olady lambe shaya
ubona ungangibalekela ukukhamera zami, uhlala ku-camera space nokungibalekela kancane.
All right.
Yeah, sure.
Hayi buya ku-olady le ngiyabona. Olady lambe licula, lithanda ukucula nje. Olady lambe umuntu ukuthi uthanda sing and worship, she likes to sing and praise nje nasendlini nje. It's in relaxile, so there was a lot of music, behlala khala music endlini, time alarm nalo makwaya nani, so there was always lento leyo ukuthi ngihlezi ngizwe music up until nami ngizikhethele wami music, ngithi hayi no, mina ngithanda so, hayi ngiyayithanda lento leso, mina ngithanda so. Ngaqala ukumamela i-hip hop ngaleso sikhathi leso, ngakhula nayo up until nami sengifika la sengibona khona ikhono lami ukuthi hayi bese ngihamba kuboma high school lapho. Enye impintsha miyathi kimi, ndoda wena zonke le ngoma lezo oziculayo zabantu and uyazazi word to word, why ungazibhaleli yakhe ingoma? Yasicala lapho-ke indaba yokuthi manje sengicala nami ngiyazama ukuzibhalela zama. That's why I found myself actually ukuthi nami ngingathanda ukuphila ngo-music nje, ngichubeke ngisebenze ngawo.
Ngiyazibuza ukuthi ukhula ulalela bobani that time, ama-artist bekadlala kakhulu kuma-radio station, your favorite artist beba-influence ku-game?
Leso sikhathi mina mangicala ukumamela i-hip hop
ngiyacabanga ukuthi awusizindranga zethu, angithi thina sindranga zakade.
mina ngikhule nilalela abo-Tupac, mina thina abo-Tupac sikwazi bani.
Yeah, sure.
Tupac washona mina mangizalwa, ngizwa ngobasho, angimazi la mani mina.
Oh yeah, hey, one of the best rappers sike saba nawo, abantu aba-influence hip hop.
No yena no angisho manje sike sayifunda, sayistudisha ne-culture, into ma uyenza kuba grandma wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani or bekwenzakalani na before wena ukwazi ukuyi-understand, yabona.
Nabo Notorious B.I.G. by that time
sibamamelile nabo. It's just that thina sibamamele manje ne-later stage sesicala uku-understand on music, because lapha ekucaleni bengisesenokumamela ngingamuzwa nokuthi uthini, because angi-understand sake of rhyming, ama-punchline. So manje masengistudisha sengimdalanyana, so sengiya-understand manje nokuthi bekathini ezingomeni zakhe, sengiyamuzwa ukuthi yo hayi la uthi lebe ikhuluma, no wonder abantu bebamthanda so, or la uthi lebe intsolo, no wonder beka this big or whatever. So mina ngizikhule ngizimamelela abo-Lil Wayne, abo-Drake, and a lot of South African kwaito and hip hop, you know. So ngalesi sikhathi lesi mina ngicala uku-adopta khona music kabhaya, like la ngicala ukuconsume khona kabhaya, because before that, before boma 2013 2014, before sonke leso sikhathi leso, umusic ebengiparticipate kiwo ebengibhizi ngawo yilo bengiwucula. I was always in the choir, I was always bengimamela a lot of choral, lana mangisendlini bengifika ngifake i-disc le-gospel, because ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi hayi man lama-tenor notes bawashaya kanjani, hayi man ini. So bengingamameli umusic o-commercial kakhulu before that, uyabona.
Ngisafuna ukuthola la, ngithole la before sichubeka, not choirs, ulalela which choirs, choral choirs or Zion choirs or Clapentap choir?
No, we used to see Western ngapha.
Or Western or international. All right, yeah, cool then. Yeah, ungarakela phambili.
Yeah, so from that stage ngawuqala umusic ukuba like ukumamela music mina umuntu owangenza ukuthi ngimamele hip hop vele mina umuntu owangenza ukuthi ngimamele hip hop after Lil Wayne beku Kendrick Lil Wayne bengimamela ababodwa ngazi ukuthi ngithanda bona mina Lil Wayne laba vele bane style young money nani ngayifollow kakhulu hip hop ngifollow net laba kwase kufika Kendrick Lamar wathi makangena egaming kula vele ngabona khona ukuthi hayi ngathi ziyabuya ngapha because nami bese ngicala ukwenza awami music so kula ngicala khona ukustudy culture ukuthi ne man kwenzakalani ngayinga ku hip hop ngayi kunabobani benza so abobani benze so yabona lezi ezinye bona umani uzazi ngoba buzihlangana nazo ku internet ungazilandeleli yabona unozibona mara wazi ukuthi Eminem yashisa ucela ukudropa enye ingoma ngiyibone ku internet engayifollow kakhulu or ngizwe TV ngiyenzeni mina umusic ebengifollow bekwabo Kendrick Lamar nani bese ngayibuyisa ngabuya ku sound yase South Africa
Pop. Coming back to abantu bangapha ekhaya. Yeah. Coming back to network.
Hello
Angazi usangizwa na
yeah siyakuzwa
uyakizwa man.
yeah
So your first day ungene studio uthi yokurecorda wasebenza nobani bekunjani how was like ukuphatha your first album or ukuzizwa or your first single
can't even remember nokuthi lapho abantu besathatha ama-chance bona abantu besiphiza ngento ezibhaya ngapha udlala idiski ngapha wenzani nethi sengithatha ama-chance ukuthi hayi man ndile ngiyefrostane ngibona ngathi ngiyakhona awuthi ngizame ngibone ngingakahabi ukuyinika isikhathi sokuthi hayi man vele yazini njo mina ngithanda umusic ngiyahamba namhlanje ngiyenza umusic bengingakahabi ukuyinikeza leso sikhathi leso bekunento ukuthi man uzibani unestudio lapho or uzibani wazi uzibani ophethe istudio lapho emachita sijikeni la siyobona ukuthi singayenzani yabona or amachita nokuthatha abathi amana sahambe yabona manifika le phambili senarecorda wazi nokuthi kwenzakaleni nengoma khona ukuthi ithini yaphi awuyizwa nawe so it wasn't really an honorable moment I would say yabona mara mhlawumbe kwazi bani lelo langa lelo mhlawumbe yilo lashintsha impilo yami yabona ukungena ngayo
so usawakhumbula amajita benibhizi ngawo la benaphasi phezulu nawo by that time uyoproducer by that time benrapper nawo
angisawakhumbula amajita Grand Sharp aqala nawo umuntu owangibhalisa Grand Sharp umuntu owathi kimi endoda bhala ingoma enye awuthi yami yangaleli Limpopo ngale mara khona manje la eJozi la already sisi high school think it was grade 8 or 9 somewhere lapho atayi ndoda awuyikudlala ndoda awuzibhalele yakhe ingoma ekele ucula ingoma zabantu ngase ngicala lapho ke ngiloku angifakile nini athi hayi ufuna uzipake so nande uyenza so moyibhala ucheck in into esona so awuthi yami yangincede iliveli yabona wonke iskilinyana awuthi yami iliveli phela ngeke ngimkhohle phela kuyawuthi ngeke ngikhohle le ngase ke ngikhula ngathi bangifike college ngahlangana nezinye one vele awuthi yami sesetight namanje because sesenokuhlangana Uncle Buzz enyambe izibiza ngo-Uncle Buzz ayi ngakutshela wena nabo take abotumi bangale siyabuswa amachita angale siyabuswa vele ngasibhana nawo bese hayi ezinye izinja zami uyazazi ke lezi ngisahuzuka nazo namanje uyabona ezinye zezinja enye so yase Bushbuck Ridge enye awuthi yami yemtsonga so baxusanele usan
hayi leyo inja le Pop yangilahlekela network ukhamba ungilahlekela kancane. Sure.
Like him, like, yeah. Sure.
Yeah, I can't.
Sure.
If usenzela izika, but ayina problem. So, life as underground artist ngiyacabanga nawe uke waba ngumany more. Waba ngumany more. Uzibawela ama-gig lapha nalapha. Uthi hey ncenga ngibaba fethi ngibani sifakeni lapha uya kuma radio station athi music wena awukamaster xhaka la. Beyinjani le impilo leyo? Impilo leyo kuba i-underground artist ungaziwa. And uzazi ukuthi unekhona and music ama-underground artist powerful, but we don't get the recognition for now.
Mina yinto bengiphusha leyo grandshap. Yinto bengiphusha bengigcina ngenza izinto ngithi hayi enhlekazini lezi ngifuna ukuzilala lezi ngifuna ukuzikhomba lezi enhle grandshap. Asingazi lezi. Yizo mina izinto bengiziphusha ngazo right ukuthi. Thola ukuthi manje ncana neslot lapha but gaps. Marajo uyabona nabantu at that time already ekasi I'm trying to make a name for myself via social media nanani yabona lokhu ngiyenzani so nabantu sebaqala ukureact phela abantu sebaqala ukuresponda phela abantu nami sengiyabona ukuthi hayi mana yazi kunabantu baqala ukungithatha serious la lokhu shit yabona people are starting to take interest in lento engiyenzayo lo yabona so ngilibeli ngiyancenga got to a point where I even told myself, you know what, not anymore. Sengiyayibona mina ivalue yami, sengiyayazi mina ivalue yami. Ongayiboni hayi uyira ngeke ngikubangise ngeke ngikuforce ukuthi uyibone ivalue yalomuntu ngiuye. Basiropile Grootman, basiropa basibize emagigini bangasibhadali benzani. It got to a point where I told myself, even now after all these things happened, now after we had done the work to prove our worth, to say, yo, Tina man, yasbona, yo, but they still take advantage of you. So it got to a point where I even told myself, you know what, it's fine. Mina, ongaboni value yam. Mina, isikhathi sami sokuncena sidlulile. Sengiqedile, ayikuthi ngizenza ngcono, ayikuthi ngiyenzani, kodwa nomsebenzi wami uyazikhulumela. Asho ngathi mina hayi akusafani nasekuqaleni manje. So ongayiboni direct akayiboni, hayi angilwi namuntu mina, angicabananga namuntu. Lezi zinto bazenzile ngaleso sikhathi leso angikwateli umuntu. Even if you know ukuthi you have crossed the bridge with me or ngeke wangenza wrong, ngeke wangingatheli cons, izinto zakudala zindlulile Grootman. Sichubekela phambili ngempilo, mina ngifuna chubekela phambili ngempilo yami. Hayi ukuthi ngikwatile or ngiyakuzonda for le nto le yawangenza yona last year ukuthi ne man ayazi uPrapol last year bewangi-invite kuma live wakhe, why manje afuna ukungi-invite? No, angithathi kanjalo, ngichubekela phambili mina ngiliyeve. I don't know your reasons, ithi ngakunikeza wawo ama reasons yabona, ngingakhetheli ukuthi hayi bungangiboni or bungangithathi serious, kwazi wena angazi. Ngiyayibona Prapol.
Yeah, you mentioned uSanzalo la uSanele, wamanye amajito sifana nawo. Ke ngam-interview naye la ehlelweni wangitshela ukuthi uyi-producer enjani. Asizwe ngawe, angithi yena bekasifakela ama-bling bling.
Hayi into akutshela yona. Ufuna ukuthi into akutshela yona. Wayebetha cwi ngiyo yona le, akutsho benginayo ngakutshela. Hayi ukuthi bekasifakela amabhande unjalo vele. Sanzalo is a very versatile producer. Very versatile. Like into angayenza uSanele. Even if you check from the first song I drop mina officially, of which was Inkomo featuring Wangaza, it was produced by uSanele. It was produced by Usanza. Of which it wasn't even hip hop sound yakona, but we commercial Afro pop type. You understand Inkomo, and then we came back. We even released our hip hop songs, of which were produced by Usanele. Manje, our latest offering in Kukule, Yaga Leon Lee featuring myself, is also produced by Usanele. No, cool. So, yes. Even Nomjolo is produced by Usanza. Usanza is also part of the production Nomjolo. So he's a very versatile producer. He's a very dope producer. Ngasho ukuthi ayispanisa kuyashaya futhi uyasazi yabona. Ngispanela isikhathi plan ngilibele ngimbheka Ngimbona zenza likhuthes lezi. So he's a very, 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 very dope producer. I rate him. He's also worked with big names in the industry. Usebenzele ama-producer Ntswembu, usebenzele ama-artist Ntswembu ku-industry. So ngithi nabantu bamcheck. I'm just telling people to be aware of Usanele, Usanzalo. Just check him out. He's really dope and he's coming with the band. South Africa must watch out also.
So masicale uBob sithini uwela kuphi kuhle masithi i-genre owela kiyo hip hop or piano or
Mina i-artist. Mina i-musician.
Musician.
Artist, create
I like it. I like it. Ngifuna nje.
Yeah.
Angingathi versatile.
Yeah, ngizithandela music nje, ngizishayela music. Nakusasa nganimangaza nakusasa nibone sengidropha no Dr. Rebecca Maluphe lapha ngishaya gospel.
Hey.
Dabuka kakhulu.
Vane ukhulume something la evane ngilandele ukhulu uthi social media change your life. Social media change your career ku music.
Yes.
Akusicocele ngaleyo genre after posting that clip yakho orepela those piano songs, then you make the DJ Maporis.
Yeah, it was just that simple, man. It is as simple as I say it. With social media changing my life, it was a blink of an eye. As much as bengiloku ngispana kunabantu bespana nabo spana kanzima siloku sihereza, but mina what really changed my life was social media. It was just with a blink of an eye nje post video namhlanje kusasa sengamaphorisa sengrecord ingoma no DJ Maphorisa. So it was a great moment. It was something I had anticipated nakhona man. Bengine feeling man, bengizwa ebengichokeka la ngale. Bengizwa something ngaphakathi. Ngizidime man. Yabona ufila ngathi man hayi man angazi man le feeling la ngiyazi angazi ngifile, but then I told myself no, this is great. And by the way bengimanifeste izinto ngakhona nala ingcondo yami beyikhona nala inhliziyo yami beyikhona, I felt like I had found that peace. I had found that moment yokuthi nami ngi-anticipate impilo yami. Angisho bathi your dreams are what you make them. Uyazikhethela elifini ukuthi ufuna.
And phela that time besitweet ngoba bathi tweet up until angazi 100 wadwa. Abosane nabapostala besithumela waya and nosithumela so not to say sithumela ngoba siyaphusha ngoba sibona ikhono una. Ukhona like the style sakho sokubhala ingoma influencer yini, like the way you rap ngakhona amagama ozwa ngawo the storytelling sakho uphushwa yini kanga?
Impilo selokishini. Impilo selokishini kulelinye time hlala front opposite nasekhaya, and ever since ngintwana yonke into shukuthi nanoma ngathi kuye hey baba kaThando kuyashisa namhlanje uzokutshela ukuthi hayi impilo selokishini mfana. Ude ubonile kazi abantu batshontshile hayi impilo selokishini. So even naseroundini bambiza ngompilo. So he lives uhlala right in front opposite nasekhaya lo baba lo. Front opposite nasekhaya vele mona bakamhlanga. Baba kaThando. So Baba kaThando is like a father to me. About time lela selokishini nalo ngule vele sikhula sidlala sonke kiboThando nayo nginto. So he's still vele njenge timer nakimi. So ngithanda ukuthi hayi impilo selokishini. Nami sengingenela yena ukuthi baba ngibuza lo nguphendula kanjalo ngithi hayi impilo selokishini, of which vele ngi-influencer yiyo impilo selokishini yabona. I rap about ngikhuluma ngezinto ezenzeka elokishini, izinto esizibona, izinto esizi-experienceayo, izinto esifuna ukuzishintsha elokishini, izinto esifisa ukuthi zingaphuma elokishini, izinto ezisihlukumezayo elokishini. Because where we are right now, I feel like we have the attention yomhlaba yabona. So let's tell them about where we are from. So mina I just tell my stories about where I'm from. Like angisho imhlanga encane njengoba bengisasho ukuthi imhlanga encane. Umhlaba umkhulu. Awuthi ngitshela umhlaba ukuthi kusemhlaba. Phela mina la ngibuya khona, la ngiphuma khona. That's why yonke into sihlale sizizwe nasengomeni siyayimention 1022. Sinande senza must post sinande sifaka 1022 so that the people can know where we are from. You understand? I mean, esikoleni abantwana bafunda ngeSoweto. Umntwana ose-Eastern Cape ufunda ngeSoweto. They know Soweto ahlale Eastern Cape, you know. It's a word, it's a way of education. So Nati let us educate people about where we're from, the stories that we have to tell, what we experience, how growing up was, how we wish to change certain things. Last puya corner, because charity begins at home. I wouldn't be the guy I am without the support. I say, look, so it's a give and take kind of situation.
Then we drop trip Juluka naboporisa lapha. How bekunjani nje the feeling drop that single and upereka nje no DJ Maporisa, one of the best producers in South Africa, from Bukwaito, he was killing it as of figure nje ukuba nje around yena hey ngiyacabanga yo enjani because starting
well ukudropa le number it felt amazing because enye into engijabulisa bekuthi angijabulisa yena ukuthi ngiyokhipha ingoma noMaporisa noKabza bengijabule nokuthi ingoma entswembu yabona moyo artist wenza inamba moyo artist uphethe ingoma emnandi. It's a great feeling engakaphumi ungakaplan nokuthi uyenzani ngayo ungakayiboneleli laphambili nje having a dope song, having a nice song uzwa ukuthi ayile inamba yaba, because mind you bekune risk ukuthi bekusasena ukuthi I know ngihlezi ngise studio yabona namanje ngise studio siya record but not every song is recorder la iba ntswembu or iba inamba ongayithengisa or iba inamba engaphuma yaba yihit eSouth Africa, you understand? So it's always a great feeling to know that you have that special one, you have that one yabona. So njengoba ngisasho ukuthi bekusasene ne risk ukuthi ngisasena ukuya la si record mara ay masiceda ukurecord lapha emamela la but fanele ubedile uyayibona yenzeka right nami ngiyangena la studio la ngirecord kusase kuseni manje imamela ingoma khona ngizokuthi mara kathi la bengenzani ingoma uyayibona.
I know
But you don't want to sell something like that, you can't sell something like that. So I was very fortunate ukuthi ukuya kwami da into ingoma yokuqala esayenza sathi sayina right there and then ukuthi ayazi siyayikhipha le ngoma intswembu musiyibambela asiyikhiphe sayikhipha. So it felt really amazing. It felt namanje I still thinking of that moment ngiphelelwa amagama because I couldn't say anything at that time. Bengiphelelwa amagama right through. The only interviews I would do, ama-interview ukuthi bazongibuza ukuthi bangangibuza ukuthi hey uzizwa kanjani, ngijabulile nje kumnandi, but then ngiphelelwa amagama thinking of that moment. It's ngikhuluma kakhulu, but when it comes to this moment, it's one moment I can't put in words. It's one moment that I failed to explain in words. That's how great it was.
Ngiyacabanga ne-fame nabantu sebakunikeza that intention bebangakunikeli before nalaba bodade sebasithideza ngomningi kuwe. How do you handle fame after sekujani nje ukuba semphakathini unguBob Mabena?
Well, I mean, I've always saw myself as an icon of change and an icon of hope, even before listening to this, because there were a lot of people who gave me attention, like especially from around it. Ekasi, we've always had this interaction nabantu angichomba yazi angichoma ngicwethu mangiselokishini the way bengiphila ngakhona kule ndlela engiphila ngayo namanje, because naselokishini before all these things happened bengumuntu ukuthi bengizithengise bengihlezi ngikhona nginabantu ngihlezi ngi-interacta nabantu, so that later on when they found out ukuthi leyo thi le iculayo, they're like mara lo hayi awuthe sharp yazi ngoba phambi kwezolo besinaye la sicoca siplomile sigreen eyakachomi. So even now I still keep it like that. Mangiselokishini the same way la bengiploma khona nama-chance ngiplomara abantu bayazi ukuthi hayi manje uBob esithanda ukumdlula alapha, so namanje they come ask for pictures, do whatever. It feels normal, it feels the way it should be. I feel like it feels the way it should be because bengiloko ngizibona mina nginjani nanoma bengibona yilabo abayi-1 nayi-2 bangibona as that icon of hope and icon of change, jabula because it's there. So now when the whole community believes now, it's even better. It feels even better now. Namanje abazali bayeza bayangibonga hey mntanami siyabonga aza abantwana bethu nabo sebayabona manje ukuthi 1 2 3 mina mama, that's all I want. That's all I want from I don't want much from anyone. Ufuna nje abantu but mababheka impilo yami babona ukuthi impilo yakho ungayishintsha mangifuna. It doesn't take a miracle. It's only you who decides how you handle it and how you do your things.
And musika nenge uthola ukuthi mhlambe abantu abaningi like nase ifame sela sebatshintsha nama girlfriend. ngikubambe lokho. Sofuna boboyiti, sofuna aboboyiti, yes, sofuna laba
Levels, standards
yeah, level.
yashintsha.
Sikhamba ngama-level. So
Zaba
phela
ngama-levels.
so
Akusho phela namanje hayi ukuthi
how's
asibafuni.
life as someone
Safuna ukukutshela la
who
nokuthi phela hayi ukuthi abantu suke bashintsha or sebafuna bobuthi. No, namanje sibafuna sosibabhekile. Asikhona ukufikelela kimi. Maye masesifikile kimi. Izinto fanele zibe lula. Namanje hayi ukuthi asibafuni. System manje asikhona.
that's cool, yeah. Yeah, no. So there was last time when in check you were shooting a video trip Juluka. What happened to that project?
That project hayi nami angazi azokutshela iqiniso. Hayi nami angazi. Nami ngifana njengawe nje ngilindile nami.
Silindile bra, silindile.
Siyafana.
Okay, no, asilise.
Kube nama-complications somewhere.
Yeah, it's part of music industry.
Yeah, it's part of the business, eh? Angifuni ukupenda umuntu or ngikhombe umuntu ngesibhamu ngithi ubani wenzeni. No, I'm just saying kube nama-complications, but we are working on it, and yeah, I think like ngibonga wonke umuntu ozile. I know people are disappointed because people ngihluleka kuphendula abantu baphosta ku-wall yami, but endodha phela simele music video. Ngihlula kuphendula now.
And we artists, you are not good production
but
side
then,
of it.
But then from my side, my apologies. And nafuthi ngibonga wonke umuntu owavela wathatha isikhathi sakhe. Everyone who took part in it, the guy who shot the video, the guy who was directing, bonke abantu bavela. Ngiyaxolisa, and we're working on it, and we'll also yenza damage control.
Yeah. So kulamalanga ngibona you are getting a lot of features. If umuntu afuna ukusipana nawe, afuna ukufeature, usebenza njani, or how do you work ngama-feature? Ngoba ngikubona ufeature more than ukhipha wakho music.
Umuntu makafuna ukusipana, they just have to holler, yabo. They just have to holler at our management team. 4 Billion Records. If you want to work, just go to social media, look for 4 Billion Records, or just go to your internet, Google, whatever, or go my social media pages, Wami, Ikona, you'll find 4 Billion. It has all the relevant information. You send through your emails. If you want to work, you send my emails for send the music. My number if you want to call. So yeah, people can just visit those, and then yeah, we'll take it from there.
Yeah, and amalanga la sibona collective channel om namajita DJ Joss abozoma Resmadli abo bathi ngibani Questa kufe usipanile namajita. I mean so mkhulu so ngelinye izinga nami engazi ngalibhala njani kunjani nje ukusebenza nabo Questa, kube njani ukubereka naye lengomeni umtsholo. I mean that video ngiyabona the way niphana ngakhona i-chance. When you come into music nanyakalela, and I can see ukuthi ngikhona ukulalela mangabe khona into wrong and noma ningaberekisani, but the way exchange ngakhona like that feature ayimberekile bafethu music wenu just kube njani ukubereka namajita la Questa kufeta kuzuma bo-Buster 99.
It was very amazing because obviously, as I was coming up now, I've always looked up to Amachens, yabona. Bengibona nami into bezingikhuthaza, bengibona amajita aphuma elokishini angene esinini. So into bengikhuthaza ukuthi nami ngizongena egamini namonto. Nami ngingakwazi ukuphuma elokishini ngiyongena egamini. So nami ngiyafisa ukusipana namajita because amajita babuya la ngibuya khona, so amajita azongi-understanda, siya-understandana namajita, of which kube njalo. That's why le ngoma zimnandi so man. Siya-understandana, sibuya endaweni eyi-one. Yabona, sibuye elokishini sonke, story sethu siyafana, sizithandela umusic, sizilana, sihlangane ngomusic. So masihlangana so nanoma senza umusic kuba into eyi-one. That's why ngithi telling stories zaselokishini ngithe mangicula so ngithi uZuma wangena wathi uRis wangena wathi kwaba ingoma eyi1 but omunye nomunye ukhuluma istory sakhe kumjolo ngikhuluma indaba yami mina ukuthi hey amjolweni bazokuheda lo yena uthi umnandi umjolo mara ingoma eyi1 imnandi
ingoma eyi1 yeah
mina ngithi batla uheda yena uthi maringo because we are telling stories we are both telling a story
but then ingoma eyi1 storyline yena ku storyline lapho usemathandweni yabona so iyahlangana this thing
mina ngisengamtshela ukuthi bro bazokwenza something
ene bamenza
something ngimtshele ndiviyele
yeah so ku interview la yakhona uTJS Boo uMassive Metro TJS Boo wathi kuwe the way ukhuluma ngakhona style sakho the way ucula ngakhona awusande njengomjida wasePumalanga athi awuthasesowethu the style vele sibuye sowethu wahlala sowethu njani wenza njani like what influence i-lifestyle yakho?
That's why ngithi mina impilo yaselokishini yabona yizo izinto yizo it was telling you stories that were happening. Those were real life stories. We would see that thing on TV and then see it Monday morning when you're school. You understand? Yeah. So I realized from that point to South Africa yonke ilokishini. So me and my approach to the culture strata as a strategy influence ilokishini like ukuthi mangene Soweto ngingabi out yangaphandle mangene eThembisa ngibi out yangaphandle mangena ePitori ngibi out yangaphandle baba ngibona as one of their own because bayabona man out selokishini ngiyamuza uringa iringas ngiyizwe out selokishini istyle yayibona out selokishini ngalendlela ahamba ngayo yayibona out selokishini so it's just that thing to relate to the whole of South Africa ukuthi nanoma ngenza music so mangikhuluma ungabe ukuthi ngikhuluma nabantu baseKaslami kuphela mangitshela abantu ukuthi ungaphuma elokishini kuba ukuthi ngiringane South Africa yonke
ibeef leka angazi yazi kangangani ka Race nabo DJ Jaws yezwa ukuthi kune beef nyane khona basebenza boko or it was just maroma
awakuna beef I mina ngazi next akunabi neyasipana out yama kunabi but honestly akunama beef man izinto zama social media zicabanisa abantu nje akunama beef
as you speak about Race laban Race emadlisa noZuma bakhethiwe kuma Sama Award under kwaito ungabathukuza bathini nama Sama Award ajamele njani onyaka lo yeah.
No, what I would like to say to the gents is a big congratulations. I believe that no one deserves it like they do. Amachens aspanile, Amachens came with a bang, Amachens came with something fresh. Amachens ayashisa, they deserve it more than, I believe, more than anyone else this year in terms of, because everyone deserves the nomination. There are a lot of people who also deserved it in terms of his sponsor, but then I feel like the best were chosen kuma nomination baba bekile da it's up to us Mzansi ukuthi yisapi if we truly believe in them then voter and whoever gets it that means whoever guys beka push his part yabona mina I'm just wishing ama chance wami well ukuthi kuseya ama chance infisela inhlanhla sikhona siyavota silibele siyavota but then whoever takes it I hope they take it I honestly hope they take it I want them to bring it back because they leya sound yeKwaito leyasizwile yonke nathi si realize bangakasitsheni nokuthi bayoba nominate aboKwaito we always say mara these guys basikhumbuza abo Brown Dash these guys basikhumbuza sound yeKwaito these guys means that before bazoba nominated ku best Kwaito album so I feel like they deserve it if we South Africans were able to pick it up as much as it's piano but if we South Africans were able to pick up isound ekungelethu which iKwaito that means they did well.
Ake sihlala umdlalo nyana before siphuma so siyakhamba siya Cape Town or Johannesburg thatha 5 best rappers kwaNdebele 1022 uyokusahlela amajita la wejowek la webhaya sokuba naba 1 session nithi yini lento bazenzako lezi abomra la 1 on 1
aba battle rap
battle rap top 5 sikhamba nobani bandabela u1022 special.
Ngiyazibala mina lapho.
Yeah, ngiyazibala ku top 5 yeah.
Hayi mara ngithi ukhamba nami ngingazibala nje sikhamba sonke nami ngiyakhamba ukusala ngingazibala.
Yeah.
Awuthike usanza spark vele ibullet lami lokuqala vele. Ibullet lami lokuqala ngihamba nosanza.
Yeah.
Take sanza lo. Yazi kuzoba angifuni kube ngathi kubias. Ngisho ubuze mina aba repathemba yiba ubuze mina.
Yeah.
Ya kungabe ngathi ngibias.
Yeah.
Take sanza. I'll take Umeni Takin.
Yeah.
Meni Takin is a ghost. Ejo, Ura Usiambana with 1022. Yeah. I take Rao the Truth. There's a guy called Urao the Truth. He's also very dope number reps. Yeah. Who else would I take? I'll take Uli. Lilo is not from 1022.
Let's take Kwandebele. Is it Kwandebele? Okay, sympathy. Kwandebele.
Kwandebele. I'll take Ulilo. Number 5 yami mobile. Number 5 yami ngifuna ukuyithatha isikhathi. Ngicabanga kahle ngifuna ukuba ngibone ukuthi ngibone. Ubani ongeka ngidlisi base.
Ozokujema emayiking njengami ke ngajema emayiking hey mara ukujema lento zokurapha lezi ngathi ngiyazama ngabo
athi ke ngajema emayiking hayi man oh yebo I would also take uBlack Nut uMafafa number 5 yami ngaba uBlack Nut uhlala ngani ngakwamhlanga
naye izinto zakhona
na izinto zakhona ngamaline angisho phela laba ngibabala indaba abaziyo yabona music wabo awusi
I trust them. That's
why mina knowing the ability to rap ngithatha bona
that's why mina ngithatha isikhathi esiningi ukuthi ngilalele those unknown artists because they've got the story to tell yabo and they are so powerful and they've got something so sesivala nje bani ngibuza ama-artist ngibuza wonke umuntu engimemako ehlelweni ukuthi udliwa yini lechisako ofisa ngathi unganikelwa i-platform uyikhulume emphakathini ubatshela noma
ngitshela ba
edlako nje ufuna ukuyikhuluma ukuthi bafethu hayi emhlabeni akusisofa lesenze so yazi nje into edlako ekuchisako ngaphakathi
no mina ngathanda ukutshela abantu ukuthi believe in yourself more than the next person will believe in you amagama wami lawo and yiwe ngihlale ngiwasho ngipreacher wonke la ngiyakhona because abantu abanye banokukubuza ukuthi hey Bob kanti wenze njani ngathi mina I chose to believe in myself, I chose to believe in the Lord, I chose to work hard. So those 3 following steps: hard work beats talent if talent doesn't work hard. So believe in yourself, work hard, and thembele enkosini hayi uzoba mnandi in whatever that you do. Hayi bo music kuphela, hayi ukuthi laba bacula kuphela. Nawe osebenzayo usebenzele ukuthi ufuna promotion. Believe in yourself. You deserve the promotion. Work on yourself. Zibone ukuthi am I in the right state for this promotion? Will I be able to work? Never got the over hours. Umuntu ufuna promotion, mara uyazi there now. But chayisa ngo5 uphuma ngo4 emsebenzini. Mara ufuna promotion. So it's not believing in yourself. You don't believe that you can make it to be promoted to be CEO. So believe in yourself. Work on yourself. Hard work. That's why hard work beats talent if talent doesn't work hard.
Angithokoza isikhathi sakho mani for ukukhuluma nawe ngithokozele nabo sanzalo ngokuhlanganisa and ngimfisela kokuhle especially
ngiyathemba uyakuzwa
sanele madoda nasipromote
ukhuluma nefoni
i-birthday yakho mfethu
28 August kwamhlanga senze movie senze ifilimu 28 August
i-line up i-line up iseyiphumile ngekuzokubona i-line up
angayikhiphi ngisesebhizi ngayo ngisayiphela
but mina I know Questa Kofek is there, Christmas Lisa Zuma is there, Zanzalo is there, Lilo NTK Pop is there, Mental Deep is there, Advocate of Deep is there, Lucia M is there, Paul Culture is MC is there. Munisiphelele man, angasabali. No. Siphelele. Ngithokoza isikhathi sakho man nangomuso ongalahla. Good luck for everything uyenza.
Thokoza mina bro.
Away.
Sharp.
Sharp.